Here it is, Paddle Wheel 2.0 Snake River Expedition. If you know anything, if you listen to the podcast, know anything about my predictions for this year, I had this as one of my top new rides of the year. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. 30 minutes. At least it's undercover in here. Walking in pretty themed queue.
You folks can follow me right this way now.
Come on in, people. Let's go. All right, you got this whole space. Use it, use it. Don't be too excited. Listen, today's adventure is going to look a little bit different than you probably expected. See, there might be some gunplay today. There might be some outlaws, and if you are real unlucky, you might run into the basilisk. That's called King of the Serpents around here. He's a big snake. We don't like him very much, so just stay away from him. But listen, despite all that, we got to do a favor for Trapper Dan. So, this is Trapper Dan's gold, and I need two very special people that I can trust to carry this gold down the river.
Who's got him? Over here? Who's got my bag? All right, come on.
Alrighty, everyone, as you are getting aboard, please remember that we need 2 riders to a seat, please. 2 riders.
All right, folks, it's all right. Everybody, just remain calm, okay? What's your name, buddy? Xavier. Well, can I just take that from you really quick? Thank you. Very, very carefully, all right, folks. You see this this red tie right here? Yeah. Does anybody know what red means? Yes, red means dead. All right. This is actually dynamite in here, so I'm just gonna carefully put this over here. All right. We might need it later. I have no idea. All right. Normally we wouldn't, but I'm just gonna put it in here just in case. All right. Good thinking, buddy. Now, like I said before, welcome aboard my beautiful boat. My name is Curly, but sorry about that. I do prefer to be called by my last name, which is Handsome, okay? Now, I do hope you enjoy your passage along the infamous Snake River, home to majestic wildlife, some gun-toting outlaws, and if you believe in the legend, the basilisk. Anybody ever tried to smuggle in? But since we're on an expedition, I'm gonna point out some of the sights, all right? So, alright, folks, I got some good news and I got some bad news. Okay, the good news is I get to show you a bear. But the bad news is, that is my house! Hey! Go back to the woods, you, and Bandit! No, that's my raccoon who does my laundry. Bandit! You keep getting starch in my underwear. Come on, do better, I'm sensitive down there. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, folks, wow. Looks like, we had some live entertainment planned for you, but the critters got a hold of those instruments. Alright, you know, that is the band trampled under. Okay, what have you been doing all day? There's like 6 holes in there. Come on, do better, all right? Well, let me tell you something, folks. Beavers, my least favorite animal on this whole tour, all right? Now, over here, I get to show y'all something very, very special to me, okay? This is a Crystal Rock. Anybody ever heard of Crystal Rock before? No? Okay, well, they are famous around all these raccoons do a whole lot of tampering, don't they, Captain? Hey, Bandit, is that you? Oh my, you're in my corn, I paid good money for that, come on. Hey, you know what, if my underwear is not done by the time I'm back, you are fired. Well, heads down, drop off this gold, and get on out of here, all right? Normally I don't even take my people on this side of my tour, but since we're smuggling for Trapper Dan, it's necessary, all right? Now, that's my partner over here. We're gonna give him that official wolf call. Remember, we're gonna use that if we see anything dangerous, okay? Snakes, outlaws, anything, y'all remember it? Okay, oh, that was very close. We're gonna work on it, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yeah, there we go. All right, buddy, how's it been over here? Mighty fine. That sounds good. What about some outlaws? Have you seen any?
The outlaws? I haven't watched the saloon over there in Seville.
Oh yeah.
Some suspicious ones.
Oh God.
Nothing too big and down to anything suspicious.
Okay, that's good. Well, what have you been doing in your free time over here?
In my free time, mostly meditating.
Meditating.
Thinking about life. Making fun of my life choices.
I know, but why are you gonna leave me with these people? Oh, come on. All right, folks, do what she says. Hands up, everybody. Come on, come on. All right. You know what? She does not look scared of you. She's not even putting her hands up. Back. because they are on to you. Yeah.
Alright, working along. So you better watch your back.
Oh yeah, what does that even mean? Don't touch my boat.
Find out. Get up, boys!
What? Whoa, folks! They are about to shoot everybody! Get down! Put your head fire! You're all just looking at him! Come on, put your heads down! You think you're too cool for this, man? You are getting shot at right now. What we got in here, alright? Did you do this? We got the gold, folks! Can I get a celebratory wolf call up here? Okay, well that was still very weak, but you know what? That's alright. Hey, hooty hoot, yeah. Hey folks, what's going on over here? Why is that just out in the open? What is this? Whoa, folks! Alright, we got some wolves over here, but be careful, alright? Do not make any sudden movements. If you move, these wolves will come on this boat and have us fooled. Stupid! Yeah.
It don't matter because I got the gold and I found the answer to the secret map. I smelled this garbage ready.
Hey, do not-
you know, good outlaw, drop the bag. Forget it,
Folks.
This gold is mine.
Hey, you know what? He's actually got the dynamite, so you should shoot the outhouse. Cover your ears,
Don't
folks.
say that anymore, you outlaw. This one right here, this one's for Trevor Dan.
Alright, let's get a round of applause for my partner over here. Hey, I see you at Flower. Look at it. Come on, folks. Why are you staring it in the eye? Oh my goodness, let's get on out of here, Captain. This is too much for me. Let me tell you, folks, summer job, not worth it, alright? I'm putting in my 24 hours as soon as this boat ride is over. Let's get on out of here, Captain. Wow.
Well, that was Snake River Expedition. A little bit different than Paddle Wheel. Instead of just going around telling corny jokes about some AAs, there's a loose storyline to it that I think you probably picked up on in the video. Didn't want to show everything, so there's still a few jokes and laughs for you when you come check it out yourself. But gives a big thumbs up for me. This is what I feel like sets Cedar Point apart from a lot of other parks, is attractions like this that give you a little bit of difference, variety, I should say, in your day. It's something different to do. So big thumbs up for me. It does get a little bit of a longer line because it's new. The line moves fairly fast. So I wouldn't be opposed, One other note, it does have some limited hours as well as the season is not open all the way through the fall. So just plan accordingly. Thanks for watching, guys.